Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can change the text template in CapCut. So here I've already on the CapCut apps and I'm going to just go to text, and then here I'm going to click on the text template. So in CapCut there are lots of text template that you can use. If you're on the free CapCut, you can use the one who are free, and this pro is you need to pay for it. So I'm going to just choose one. So for example, I'm going to use this one, for example. Okay, and to change the text, you can just double click on the text and the text box will be appear, and you can just delete like this and change it into a new text. Then click on the check icon when you're done, and that's basically it. Now it has been changed into the one I added before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.